Hi everyone. Unfortunately, this morning I tested positive for COVID, so I am going to have to cancel our very last class meeting, which is a big bummer for me, probably less so for a lot of you. But in light of that and some stuff I needed to talk about in class, I wanted to make a really quick announcement video to sort of update you on a handful of things. All right. So first, I want to go over some changes on the syllabus. I have updated the syllabus. You can look at this. It's up on Blackboard. So the first change to the syllabus is that class is canceled today. Um, I will be talking about some options for completing that mini project. Essentially, it's just going to be an extra credit in just a second. But just to reiterate again here, class is canceled today. Can't come in, wouldn't be safe for all of you. And then additionally, on December 11th, so this coming Tuesday, which is also the day that the Module 5 worksheet is due, I am going to be holding extended, or rather, I'm going to be holding an online review over Zoom. You have the link here. And I'll be holding the a Zoom meeting for this class to do any review of the materials, answer any questions about, potentially like the final exam, something like this, even discuss like individual concerns with grades during our regular class meeting time. So that would be Tuesday between 1:30 and 2:45. And I'm doing that because I feel like we missed today, and I want to make sure that everybody feels like they have some line of communication with me, some way to touch base about anything that you might be confused about in the course, so you feel all set and good to go when I distribute the final exam December 14th. Another note on the cancellation today, I mentioned this in the written part of this announcement, but I'm also going to be holding Zoom office hours today during our regular class meeting. So that would be between 1:30 and 2:45. You're welcome to pop in and essentially ask any questions about anything you want. You don't have to turn your camera on. If you have a specific, this is a good place to come in and just like, you could like pop in and be like, okay, wait, I was confused. What about the final exam? Or question number 3 on the module 5 worksheet. I don't get it. Right. Stuff like this. Or again, if you have like concerns about, individual grades, things like this, like we can carve out some time there to discuss those things as well. The link for that Zoom meeting is going to be the same as the link for the December 11th Zoom meeting. I will also be posting, or I also have posted the link to joining either of these Zoom meetings. So either the one for today or the one on the 11th up on Blackboard on this announcement. Okay. So the next thing I wanted to discuss is the mini group project that we started working on last time we met on Tuesday. So this project, since we couldn't meet today, has now turned into an extra credit project that is worth quite a few points. And you have until December 20th, so the very last day of the term, to submit this for extra credit. So you all should be familiar with this, at least those of you who are in attendance on Tuesday. If you were not in attendance on Tuesday, you're welcome to just do the project on your own. It doesn't necessarily have to be a group project. And again, if you didn't see what I just did on Blackboard, you can find the instructions as well as the place to submit the assignment under the Module 5 tab. It's labeled extra credit, technology reset simulation. Again, this is where you would submit the assignment. Here are the instructions for the assignment, and then a few questions for you to answer. So this assignment is entirely 100% optional. You don't have to do it if you don't want to. But if you would like to do it, it's worth up to 15 points. So it's not assured that you would get all those 15 points, but if you carefully, thoughtfully answer the questions, construct like an intelligible argument in defense of your motto, things like this, then you would definitely get that 15 points extra credit. Okay, so I believe that about covers it. I would like to just one more time remind everyone that the module 5 worksheet is due December 11th, right? We have this one right here. Additionally, anyone who has yet to submit the module 4 worksheet, you need to do so immediately. Please contact me if you haven't already submitted this assignment. I'm going to be, today and tomorrow, the times that I'm taking to grade this assignment. I can't assure you I will have enough time to grade that assignment if I get it any later than that point. And as you all are aware, the way that the final exam is going to work is it's going to be, for the most part, a selection of questions from the module 4 and the module 5 worksheets. So if you can get my feedback on both of those assignments, it's going to help you a lot on the final exam. I know a lot of you are aware of that, just given it's the kind of similar setup, similar approach as the midterm. Okay, so again, my apologies. I really wanted to be able to say one last goodbye to everyone. Hopefully, I will see most of you either today during the Zoom office hours or on Tuesday, December 11th during the Zoom office hours. If you can't make those hours and you do want to talk with me in person, like on the phone, over Zoom, whatever, send me an email. I'm happy to, really extend myself since this was such a unfortunate last minute cancellation for today. All right. So I hope that clears things up. Again, I'm so sorry. And I want to thank everyone for a really, really good semester. Okay. Email me if you have any questions.